My name is Carrie Kappas. I work for Dakota Prairie Refining in Dickinson, North Dakota. We are the first new refinery built in the United States since the mid-70s. We are going to be a 20,000 barrel a day refinery for the Bakken crude, and we will produce roughly 7,000 barrels of diesel for the locals up in that area. My title is warehouse supervisor. So I will be, well, actually I'm setting up the warehouse from scratch, everything's scratch. So we're bringing in inventory. TabWare is an important role in our facility, and it's mainly for itemizing our spares. We're going to keep a hierarchy. We're going to keep our history all in TabWare. It's really a great system. With TabWare, we're starting from the bottom, so we're starting brand new on everything. We're slowly getting involved with it. We are doing our requisitions, we're doing our purchase orders, and we're starting to itemize our spares. A day in the life in our warehouse is our fellow employees will send a quote to us. We will take the quote, turn it into a requisition. We send it off for approval. Once it comes back from approval, then we turn it into a purchase order, and then which is a nice feature that I hadn't had before, TabWare automatically emails this off to our vendors. So that's another step I don't even have to do, which was a really nice feature. And then we will also receive, once we get our purchase orders in, then we take our traveling reports and we attach them to our packing slips. We receive all of our items into the system, and it's a really great accountability. In my role as warehouse supervisor, I am anxious for the maintenance department to get on board with their work orders, and then to be able to pull our inventory through the software so we can keep track of what they use on a day-to-day basis, and it'll all be in the software system. We will not have to use paperwork anymore. It'll all be computerized. Asset Point gives us a lot of support in the TabWare. They're very innovative as to keeping up with technology, taking us into the field, which is a lot of businesses don't realize that they can do that. It's a great system. It's something that we really use and really appreciate.